Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join with me. I'm going to show you around Roxas Boulevard and Rizal Park, also known as Luneta. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's go! Yan guys, oh grabe ang dami ng trees dito guys, oh, as you can see. Sobrang ganda na dito talaga. Ang layo-layo na nung dating Roxas Boulevard. Wow, this is our very own Manila Hotel. It's very nice and it's my first time to see this hotel up close. Wow. For your info guys, the Manila Hotel is a historic 5-star hotel located along Manila Bay in Manila, Philippines. The hotel is the oldest premier hotel in the Philippines, built in 1909 to rival Malacanang Palace, the official residence of the President of the Philippines, and was opened on the commemoration of American independence on July 4, 1912. We're already here guys at Rizal Park or Luneta, but unfortunately we cannot go down and roam around because the park is closed since the pandemic started. FYI guys, Rizal Park is a historic urban park located in Ermita, Manila, Philippines. It is considered as one of the largest urban parks in Asia, covering an area of 58 hectares. The site on where the park is situated was originally known as Bagumbayan during the Spanish colonial period. It is adjacent to the historic Walled City of Intramuros and is a major tourist destination in the Philippines. Rizal Park's history began in 1820 when the Paseo de Luneta was completed just south of the walls of Manila, on a marshy patch of land next to the beach during the Spanish rule. Okay guys, let's proceed driving along Roxas Boulevard so that you'll see how beautiful Roxas Boulevard is. And guys, kung kayo ay matagal na kayong hindi nakapasyal this area, talagang ma-amaze kayo sa sobrang ganda niya ngayon. Ang dami ng mga improvements na hindi nyo inaakala. Roxas Boulevard is a popular waterfront promenade in Metro Manila, in the Philippines. The boulevard, which runs along the shores of Manila Bay, is well known for its sunsets and stretch of coconut trees. On your right guys, that's the area of Manila Bay, the very controversy Dolomite sand. Sobrang ganda naman talaga niya guys eh. Imagine naging white sand na siya. So, nakapag-vlog na rin ako dyan. Sana mapanood nyo on my previous video. So, yan yung CPP guys, or Cultural Center of the Philippines. For your info guys, the Cultural Center of the Philippines is a government-owned and controlled corporation established to preserve, develop, and promote arts and culture in the Philippines. The CCP was established through Executive Order Number 30S on 1966 by President Ferdinand Marcos. Ayun guys, nakita nyo na ang Roxas Boulevard kung gaano na siya kaganda ngayon. Ang laki talaga ng improvements. And of course, dami na rin akong mga lugar na ikot dito sa Metro Manila. Ang laki talaga ng pagbabago. and I believe not just in Metro Manila but across the country. Excellent job, Duterte administration. Mabuhay Philippines! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Keep safe everyone.